As I was giving offerings to the river, look who decided. Look who decided to visit me. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mommy. Where you going? Mommy, where you going? Look at you. Look at you. You see food? You see the food? Where you gonna go? You can eat. See, that's the food there. Oh, don't do that, baby. That burns. And she cut it off. Look at that. Look at them. Oh, no, 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 no. Well, I guess that's what the spirits wanted. The candle just like that. Look at them. And this is how spirits work sometimes. Through animals. See that? They're gonna come and eat that. That was offerings for her. This is beautiful. Freaking beautiful. Look at him eating the flowers. Don't scare him. They did their work and they're leaving now. Good job. The whole time that they were sitting, these ducks around here through the offerings, I just sat over here so like frozen because it was like so like right there. I don't know. Yeah, there it is. I did not want to scare them. And then Steve came, my husband, through the over there, and I'm like, ooh, slowly, slow. Don't scare the babies off. These are messengers. They do the work for the spirits of the river.